Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, that's how I play the intro to California Girls by the Beach Boys on guitar. I'll be showing you that and the chorus to the song in this tutorial. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And here's how we'll play the intro. We'll start at fret 9 on the D string. And then we'll take that finger and lay it down and play fret 9 on the G and B string together. That's a double stop. So it's playing those strings together. So that's 9, 9, back to 9 on the D string. And then we'll move to the B string, fret 7, and the G string, fret 8. Like that. So it's back up to 9, like that. We'll play back to 9, lay it down again, 7 and 8, 9 on the D string, and then we'll go down to the G string, fret 6. And that's the end of our phrase. Here it is again. We'll do that 4 times. And then we'll move to fret 7 on the D string, do kind of the same thing. We'll lay down on the G and B string at fret 7, back to 7 on the D string, and then 5 and 6 on the B string and the G string. Back to fret 7 on the D string, lay down again, fret 5 and 6 on the B and G string, fret 7 on the D string, and then end at fret 6 on the G string. So that's so here's the entire thing one more time. Next, we'll start strumming a B chord made this way. We're holding down the D string at fret 9, the G string at fret 8, the B and high E string at fret 7, strumming from the D string. And we'll start strumming like this. It's a down-up strumming pattern. So we'll start in 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the verse starts. We'll move down 2 frets, same chord, except we'll add on the high E string, fret 7, and that is an A add 9. So we're playing this. Then we'll move down to an E major chord, and that's a traditional E chord. And then to an F sharp chord, made this way. And we made that the same way that we made our B chord. So here's how we'll play the verses, starting with a B chord. Well, those East Coast girls are hip. I really dig those clothes they wear. And the Southern girls, with the way they kiss, they knock me out when I'm down there. Now we'll do that again for the second half of the verse, but we'll play it this way. So when we ended that F sharp chord, we played down, down, up, down. Then we'll go to the chorus. Now for the chorus, we'll go to a B bar chord, C sharp minor 7, A, B minor 7, G, A minor 7, and then back to B. We're playing our B chord by holding down the A string at fret 2 and barring everything from the D string down at fret 4. That's what we want. And then we're going to go to a C sharp minor 7 like this. That's barring everything from fret 4 down, bringing in a finger to the B string fret 5 and the D string fret 6, strumming from the A string. A traditional A chord, B minor 7, the same form as a C sharp minor 7, bar in that second fret, bringing in the middle finger to the B string fret 3 and bringing in the ring finger to the D string fret 4. A traditional G chord, an A minor 7, strumming from the A string with a finger on the D string fret 2 and the B string fret 1. And then back to our B chord. We'll strum that chorus by brushing downstrokes with the pick like this. We'll end the song by going to our B chord and C sharp minor 7 chord. We'll strum it this way, down, up. Girl, y'all could be California. Well, my friends, that's how I play California Girls by the Beach Boys on guitar. And we can play this on the electric guitar and the acoustic guitar the very same way, without a capo. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.